when safe, do the reverse parallel parking behind this black car. Like this. Go to the mirror to mirror, around 1.5 meter gap distance, left hand side. Put in the reverse, check center mirror, and check the back like this. Check around you. Steering just half left turn. Go slowly. Close to curb. Check the left mirror. That's it. Close to curb. And turn right fully your steering wheel. Keep on your indicator for left. And go back again slowly. Keep holding your steering. And let it to car straight. Then make steering straight. Put in the drive. Little bit go ahead. Like this. That's it. Put in the car safe parking.